Sister. Please edit this.
If you're looking for a benefit, looking for attention, looking for supreme, looking for a queen, just roll with me. If you're looking for a benefit, looking for attention.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a twist out on my friend's hair. She has really bad heat damage. She straightens her hair like 70% of the time. As you can see, most of her hair is straight here. She wants to do like a mini big chop, so I cut about 1.5 inches to 2 inches off of her hair. And since her hair is so dry, I'm going to be using the Bella Curl Defining Cream and the what is this? Curl Defining Cream. I'm going to start off by sectioning her hair into 4 sections. The front 2 sections are going to be flat twisted, and the back 2 sections are going to be just regular 2-strand twists. And I suggest anyone with any kind of heat damage or chemical damage to try the twist outs or braid outs or even perm rod sets, because it would help to blend the 2 textures together better. And I'm going to be using the same method I used in my how to trim natural hair video. If you haven't checked it out, then please go check that out. But yeah, I'm just going to be making sure her hair is twisted up very good at the end, and then just cutting off about 1.5 to 2 inches. And right here, you can just see that she's just trying to get opinions on how short she thinks she should go, like with the cut. Because this isn't a big chop, it's like a mini chop. Just trying to get rid of as much straight pieces as possible.
Shay, do you fucking see the difference? Do you see how much hair you just cut off my head?
And this is the final result. If you like this video, please like and give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. You should already be subscribed anyway, but you know what I'm saying. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.